In this video, you will see exactly how Minexa.ai turns any website into structured data, making it simple to scrape tourist attraction listings fast and easy. Here I am on the recreation.gov page that already shows the list I want to extract. At this point, click the Minexa.ai extension icon, and we are ready to go. With Minexa.ai open, press the violet button that says, "Yes, I'm on the right page," and it reads the page structure instantly. Already detected, the main content block is locked in and ready for extraction. Now, select List Only, or have Minexa.ai click into each result and scrape its detail page. Continue for most pages, or choose Advanced if the job needs to click, scroll, or fill something before the list loads. The highlighted section is your data. Click Create Scraper and Minexa.ai reads it once and extracts the same data from similar pages. Every data point detected, such as attraction names, locations, reviews, and prices, can be selected as needed to customize your dataset. For the technical side, click API Request and copy working code. Proxy and rendering settings are already configured for you. Validate the setup with one click and the scraper is ready to go. The pagination button is highlighted. Minexa.ai detected it automatically. Change it if you need to adjust the setup. One last screen. Optionally connect Google Sheets or set a frequency, then hit Complete Setup, and the job goes live. Click Run, and the scraping job gets started immediately, gathering all the tourist attraction listings and reviews. Run it again right now via the extension or API, and you get the same structured result. The data includes attraction names, locations, reviews, prices, and availability, all organized in clear rows and columns. Download the dataset with one click. Each result is in its own row, with all fields separated into columns for easy use. That is Minexa.ai. Clean data from any website in minutes, and for developers, it's up to hundreds of times cheaper than passing pages to an LLM at scale.